The episcopate in Kenya is represented by the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, KCCB, whose statutes were approved by the Holy See on December 7, 1976. KCCB is the highest authority of the plenary session, attended by all the bishops of the diocese of law, emeritus, auxiliaries, the apostolic vicar, and the military chaplaincy. The Assembly of Bishops of Kenya accomplishes its mission through the Catholic Secretariat, which, through the Episcopal Commissions, coordinates and implements the decisions of the plenary assembly, providing the appropriate technical support. Currently, the KCCB can count on 15 committees: liturgy, doctrine, lay apostolate, mission, justice and peace, ecumenism, interreligious dialogue, refugees, etc. There are also 2 subcommittees, canon law and apostolate of the nomads. The KCCB is a member of the Association of Member Episcopal Conferences in Eastern Africa, AMESIA, and Symposium of Episcopal Conferences of Africa and Madagascar, SECOM. Presidents: 1969 to 1970, John Joseph McCarthy, the Archbishop of Nairobi. 1970 to 1976, Maurice Michael Atunga, Cardinal, Archbishop of Nairobi. 1976 to 1982, John Njenga, Bishop of Eldoret. 1982 to 1988, Raphael Ndingimwe-Nyanziki, Bishop of Nakuru. 1988 to 1991, Nicodemus Karima, Archbishop of Nairi. 1991 to 1997, Zacchaeus Okoth, Archbishop of Kisumu. 1997 to 2003, John Nju, Bishop of Embu. 2003 to 2006, Cornelius Arap Kapngeno, Bishop of Eldoret. 2006, John Nju, Cardinal, Archbishop of Nairobi. References. External links: http://www.kccb.org/, http://www.catholic.org/dioceses/country/key.htm, http://www.catholic-hierarchy.org/country/key.html